Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you disable service notifications on your OGS Banco app. We'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on account down here. When you just click here on account, so then it's going to take you to this list. Then all you have to do, you just click here on communications, just click on it. When you just click here on communications here, then it's going to take you to this list. Click here on hotels.com, just click on it. Then you come to this list here, come here to service here, just click on it. So then you come to this list, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color it's gone. That's mean when you click here on update, that's mean service in my notifications disabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you a great thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribing.